Jawahar English Medium School, Ballari, 4th July 2025, honoring the unsung heroes UGD Workers Ceremony, a salute to dignity, duty and humanity. 4th July 2025 will forever be remembered as a historic and heart-touching day at Jawahar English Medium School. On this day, our school took a noble initiative to recognize and honor the unsung warriors of our society, the UGD underground drainage workers of the Ballari City Municipal Corporation. Nearly 60 sanitation workers were warmly welcomed into the school campus with flower garlands, smiling faces, and petals showered upon them. This grand welcome was not just ceremonial, it was emotional, powerful, and full of respect. The event was beautifully anchored by Ms. Swati, who guided the program with grace and compassion. Ms. Swani delivered the welcome address where she spoke about the silent sacrifices made by these workers every single day. She reminded us all that true heroes do not wear caps. They carry courage in their hearts and dignity in their work. Ms. Hasina gracefully presented the heartfelt thoughts for UGD workers. Ms. Charpunisa and Ms. Swani presented a soul-stirring song, filling the gathering with deep emotion and gratitude. With immense pride and joy, our beloved school administrators Sir Riaz SK and Headmaster Sir Ibrahim Khalilullah honored our hard-working Jawahar School soldiers with a shawl, garland and traditional pethas, a gesture filled with tradition, love and deep respect. These soldiers have stood in responsibility and leadership. This recognition is not just an appreciation but a reminder that true service and commitment are always valued and celebrated. We salute their spirit and thank our management for inspiring them with this dignified honor. Every year, on July 4th, Jawahar English Medium School will proudly celebrate Soldiers' Day.
On this memorable day, all UGD workers were honored zone-wise, acknowledging their tireless service to the city of Ballari. One by one, workers from each municipal zone were called and honored with shawls, garlands and heartfelt applause from students and staff. It was a moment of true recognition and deep respect. Our respected school administrator, Mr. Riaz SK, addressed the gathering with a powerful message. He spoke about the injustice and negligence often faced by these workers and appealed to the government and departments to ensure their welfare, dignity and safety. Many workers expressed their heartfelt gratitude with the tears in their eyes, sharing that this was the first time they had ever been honored in such a respectful and meaningful way. Among them, Mr. K. Narsappa from Zone 2 UGD office expressed that he had never seen such a program in his life. He shared that on this day, he witnessed a level of respect, dignity and love that deeply touched everyone's heart. He once again extended his heartfelt thanks to everyone on behalf of the Ballari City Municipal Corporation. After the felicitation, refreshments were served. Samosas, jalebis and tea brought smiles and a sense of belonging to our guest. As a small token of love and gratitude, 26 kg rice bags were distributed to each worker. Every worker stepped forward with pride to receive their gift. Riaz captured a memorable group photo, a gesture that said, "We see you, we respect you, we thank you." This extraordinary event was made possible by the collective efforts of students, parents, teachers, and school management, who generously contributed to make this dream a reality. At Jawahar School, we don't just teach subjects, we teach values. This day stands as a reminder that humanity begins with recognition, with kindness, and with respect. To all our sanitation workers, we thank you, we honor you, we stand with you. A big salute to all our unsung heroes, the pride of our city. Jawahar English Medium School, Ballari. With values we rise. July 4, 2025. A day to remember forever.